do some arms workout now. So let's get started with arms workout. So the first exercise is wall push-up. Let's do 10 wall push-up, basic wall push-up. Lean your body to the wall. Basic. 1. This will be no equipment workout. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will be doing all the exercises on the wall. Okay? Okay. For next exercise, we will do diamond push-up. Make a diamond like this and do 10 diamond push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Shake your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it outward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is up and down or suicide push-ups. 1 down, down, up, up. Alternatively. Okay, let's get started with 10 of these. Starting from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next, hold it like this and push outward. 15 repetition. It is again an exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Shake your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Next exercise. One arm distance from a wall. Elbow should touch the wall. 1. Your body weight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake your arms a bit. 5, 4, clench your wrist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Again hold your arm and expand the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. From here upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your elbow. From here only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again stretch upward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbow. Another side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbow crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Crossovers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. So this was all in today's workout.